So in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your MacBook. So this is my A4 Tech, and for that you have to turn on your mouse and press and hold until it's pop up. Actually different mouse have a different option. You can check manual book by turn on a Bluetooth system. So my nearby device A4 Tech is found, so I just need to press on connect and it's connected. So it's now connected. You see, this is connect device. So now let's check it's working or not. So the mouse is hovering. So this is how you can easily connect your Bluetooth mouse on your MacBook. So if you forget to turn on your Bluetooth, you can turn on your Bluetooth first. So that's it. Hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.